electricity bills are increasing year on year. Is there anything we can do to optimize our electricity use?
India is one of the largest market of ceiling fans, and with ever-growing population, the market is expanding. Every year, a lot of electricity that we produce is actually consumed in running ceiling fans.
A conventional ceiling fan consumes 75 to 80 watts of power and 50 to 55 watts in case of 5-star B-labeled fans, offering same air delivery. Heavy energy losses lead to high electricity bills due to friction between moving parts inside the motor of a conventional fan. Atomberg Technologies has developed an innovative solution, the Gorilla Fans. The Gorilla Fans minimize the losses caused by AC induction motor-based fans through the use of brushless direct current technology, which consumes significantly low power and generates less heat. Gorilla Fan consumes only 28 watt power. Less power consumption and great experience, both at the same time. Also, it comes with a remote and is noiseless. Atomberg has developed a smart motor tuning algorithm called AtomSense. This, along with the optimized design of motor for reduced vibration, leads to a longer lifespan of the fan. Besides, optimized aerodynamic design further leads to enhanced air delivery.
In fact, people, if they start using this new technology, which is 65% efficient, they can start saving about 1,000 to 1,500 rupees per fan every year on their electricity bill.
If a commercial place like a railway station has 300 fans replaced with Gorilla Fans, it can save around 70,000 units of electricity in a year.
Under demand-side management, we motivate consumers to exchange their inefficient appliances with highly efficient appliances. And ceiling fan which is widely used and continue to consume energy throughout the day and night. So we concentrated on ceiling fans, and we rolled out a very innovative program of brushless DC ceiling fan technology.
I have been using this BLDC high-tech Gorilla brand fan since last over 6 months period, and we have been viewing and realizing the fabulous results in terms of economy. The electricity bills are highly cut off.
Given the climate change challenges, such innovations as Gorilla Fan are the need of the hour. Every bit of energy we save will contribute to a better planet. If this system is implemented globally, it can mitigate 4 million tons of greenhouse gas emissions by 2026.